The create haul road command on the site mass haul tab lets you define a haul road. And what you'll do is you'll give it a name. So if this is from the borrow site, I'll put it on a layer. You can use a line style as well, the color, some surface sharpness information. But then down here you want to put a cost in. So how much is it going to cost? $1 per cubic yard per mile. So let's just say it's $2. I'm going to click OK, and you're going to see that it really brings up the edit line string command. So I can start here at the borrow site, and maybe I'm going to drive down this area here, and I'm going to come in to work my way through my site here and put it into and connect to this zone where we've got some fill material that we're going to need to be required. Then once I do that, I can now see that haul road over here. So if I want to look at the properties of that haul road, I can come over here and I can choose whether it's active or deactive and whether it's bidirectional or not.